Ray from Ray Turner Technologies. Today going to show you how to walk test your alarm system, check your detectors and your reed switches out, and make sure everything's working. Simply put in your 4-digit PIN code, press menu, scroll down until you find inputs, press OK, scroll down again and find input testing, and then select walk test all zones. You'll simply go from zone 1 through to the last zone, open and close that zone. Your siren will beep to tell you that it's been tested. In this case, I've just shown you one door really quickly that we've tested. Head back to the code pad. To get out of there, just menu again until you get to exit, press OK.